Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Now in this video I will show you step by step how to find your wallet address for any cryptocurrency on KuCoin. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to of course go over to KuCoin and log in into your account. Now once you've done that, you simply want to go over to the wallet icon in the top right and then click on main account. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and now you need to go over to the deposit button right here. Then you want to click on deposit crypto, and you'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. Now the first thing you need to do is to select a coin, which in this case for me will be the Binance token, and you'll then have to select the network. You can see that on KuCoin, the BNB and the Binance Smart Chain network, so the BEP2 and the BEP20 chain are both available. Now what you need to do is to go over to the exchange you're withdrawing from. So let's say that's Binance for me. I would go over to Fiat and Spot and then click on withdrawal. So the coin I would like to withdraw is Binance token, so BNB, and you can then see that you need to fill in the address. However, when you click on network, you can see all the networks available, and you can also see that on Binance as well, there's only the BNB and the BSC chain. So now just simply select one network on KuCoin or on Binance, and then make sure to select the same network on Binance. So I have BNB Binance chain selected, so I'm gonna click on BNB Binance Beacon chain. And if you're not sure if you have the right chain, just click on it again, and you can see BEP2, and right here it's also BEP2. Confirm. So the memo is optional, and right here the memo and address are both required. So you know that the memo is actually required. So just simply copy that, paste it in, and then copy your wallet address as well. So you can paste that in right here. You can see that the wallet address is automatically matched to the corresponding network, which means that all you need to do is to fill in the amount of BNB you would like to withdraw, and then simply click on withdrawal right here. And that's how to find your wallet address on KuCoin. Now if you're not sure how to select the right chain, or if there's anything else I haven't explained clearly enough, feel free to ask me in the comments down below, so I can help you out.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.